Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video of this credit card from a newer fintech company, and the credit card is Klutch. Now you can get pre-approved with a soft pull without hurting your credit. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And this year, we'll be showing you how to leverage your credit to get assets. Now, I also give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit even if you have a high credit score. So you can pick that up. I will leave the link in the pinned comment section and the description of this video. And also at my website, I have a letter package to remove your negative items for purchase if you want to check that out at my website. So I will also leave that link in the description of this video. Now, coming up for February 18th, I am re-rolling out my webinar for all you guys that missed it in January. This webinar will help you increase your credit score by 100 points, and I would be live helping you with your credit issues. So if you guys want to join me, if you want to increase your credit score, remove negative items, and get all my credit hacks, make sure you join me. The link is in the description if you guys want to sign up, and in the pinned comments section. So let's jump into this information. Now, the Klutch customizable credit card is a new fintech credit card. And with this card, it helps you to control and manage your funds. So with this card, it is very innovative on how it's going to help you not only give you a credit card to use, but manage and pay your other credit cards to have control over your financial life. Not only do it operate like a regular credit card with rewards and also cash back, but it gives you these unique features like custom auto pay, and you can choose to pay bills off of your card, even other credit card bills, canceling unwanted subscriptions. Also, for your budgeting, you can make spreadsheets for your budgeting made easy and save time with automations. You can create your own custom logic and how you want to save time and stop doing manual tasks. So you can shop with safety because they will give you virtual cards. So you can use a one-time card online. They will help you organize and spend by each category, which is unique. Also, you can set spending limits on your card to help prevent fraud. And they do also give you the ability to give your children their own card so you can help manage their spending, and you can put their allowance on that card. This card also allows you to create custom spending limits on every category so you can budget and not overspend. And so if you have a plan for savings and you want to stay on track, they offer that ability for you not to go over your spending amount for your budget. This card also operates like a normal credit card by giving you 1% cash back rewards on every purchase, but they also offer in certain categories monthly, if you purchase in those categories, that you can get up to 6% on those purchases in that particular category for that month. And the requirements to qualify for this card is very simple. You have to be 18 years of age and older to apply, be a U.S. citizen. Basically, you need a social security card and to be located in the United States in order to apply for this card. Now, some of the detailed information of your credit score that you would need to qualify for this card is a 650 750 credit score, and they will be pulling from Equifax. So make sure before you try to pre-approve for this card, and the pre-approve process is just to let you know if you fit in the category of what this company is looking for. It is not guaranteed, but what happens is it gives you a better chance of approval. So if you decide to take the card, it will turn into a hard inquiry pull, whether you get approved or do not get approved for the card. So keep that in mind. Now, if you want to see if you pre-qualified for the card, I'll leave the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. But let's just really quickly look at some of the features in this app. Now, here's a visual of the mini app on the features I mentioned earlier, like setting up a single-use card so it stops you from having fraud. If you purchase something online, you can just set up a digital card, use it once, and discard it. Also, with your children, you can set up their allowance on a card and give them their own card with a set limit. And also the spreadsheets that you can set up through Google. And it has a prompt for single merchant cards that you can use, a monthly budgeting, and custom auto pay in the app. Now, here's the feature of the custom auto pay. So you can schedule when and how and never miss a payment. And you can set up automatic reoccurring payments for your card balances. So this is a very unique feature that you can pay your credit card balances from this credit card. Now, here is where you can schedule your payments for your card on your account balances. So this is very unique where you can set up your automatic payments to your other credit cards so you can never miss a late payment again and keep your credit score in great order without any missed payments. Now, here's the scheduling prompt in the app where you can schedule your payments on your credit card with how often and the frequency that you want to pay on your card. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly. And so this gives you a good way to even put in to manage and pay down your card balances, which can in return help your credit score. Hopefully this information was helpful to you. So if you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comments section. But if you have more detailed questions, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. Once again, if you want to see if you pre-qualify for this card, the link will be in the description of this video in the pinned comment section. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.